The Cuisinart CookFresh digital glass steamer is a fast and powerful steam system. Easy to use, and for these heirloom beets, I'm going to use this reversible tray that comes with it. Set inside, I'll put all the ingredients together, put it in, and cover it up. The best part is no preheating. Simply set it and turn it on, and instantly you're cooking. The reversible tray is stainless steel, making it easy to clean, and the steamer's design shoots bursts of steam every 30 seconds for optimal cooking results. After only 45 minutes, the beets are knife tender. You know that by passing a knife into the beet. When it comes out cleanly, you know it's ready to go. I've got this tray which is so convenient for moving the beets out. And what I really love is the 1 liter reservoir is more than enough water to get a full job like roasting these incredible heirloom beets to perfection.